My question has to do with when you're counseling a
Uh-huh.
couple and it's their second marriage. How
Okay.
do you help them from bringing issues of the first into the second?
Well,
If
first
it's
of all,
possible.
you totally validate that they are going to be bringing first marriage issues into the second.
Yeah.
Absolutely guaranteed. They will be. And so you basically, what I'll do is look at the triggers for them. So, for example, if they have a bad fight or a regrettable incident, you use the exercise, the intervention, the aftermath of a regrettable incident, which is a 5-step process. And step 3 of that process, as you're helping them understand what went wrong in their communication there, step 3 is about triggers. And triggers are defined as feelings that come up during this incident that date from before the relationship. They
Mm-hmm.
originated before this current relationship. So where do they come from? Well, they may have come from that first marriage, you know. And a classic example is if there was infidelity in the first marriage and they were betrayed, they're going to be looking for this current partner to betray them every minute of the day. They're going to want to see their phone. They're going to want to see their email, and so on. And transparency in a case like that would really be helpful, uh, so that this person can separate out what happened in the first marriage from this current partner and how trustworthy they actually are. So it's what really helps is number one, it's basically a 2-step, maybe a 3-step process. One, identify what are the triggers that are going to trigger stuff from the first marriage, and what's the story within that from the first marriage. 2, separate out the fact that that was in the first marriage and this is a different marriage. And 3, how is this partner different from the first partner? How are they different? And I'll often have people look into the eyes of the second person, their current partner. Look into the eyes. Did those look like the eyes of your first partner? How are they different? How are the words of this partner different from this current partner, different from the words of the first partner?
Is there a good way to encourage the second partner to handle the feelings of maybe resentment that they're doing work on a relationship that they were not a part of in the first place? The example, like with infidelity, this
Mm-hmm.
you to think that I need to show you transparency when I've done nothing wrong. So,
Mm-hmm.
how can you talk to the person about
Yeah.
that?
So, yes. So, what I say is that, every person faces challenges in their life. Everybody has challenges, everybody has negative experiences. And the fact of the matter is that, you married a person who has scars, just like you probably have scars from other sources. And what you got to do is love the scars.
Mm,
And if you love through those scars, then the person will eventually see how different you are, how loving, how loyal you are from the first person. But the other thing that you have with somebody who is scarred like this is greater sensitivity, greater ability to love, even though they're afraid,
mm.
and much more gratitude when they see there is loyalty, much more gratitude. So hang in there. Soon you'll be the object of a lot of gratitude.